So, hi everyone. Actually, wala talaga akong masabi ngayon because I am so overwhelmed sa nangyari. And today is Sunday, September 29, 2024. Nangyari kasi sa church kanina. It's so overwhelming that I cannot imagine kung anong nangyari. It was so nice. The feeling of going there is so amazing. It makes your heavy burden lift up talaga. And the it was a very powerful praise and worship. You can feel talaga the presence of Lord Jesus Christ. So, what happened is, so today I'm going to share with you my some kind of realization lang as someone na nag-living on my own na and financing myself. Financing myself. So ngayon, all I can say is this some of you might not agree, but I'm gonna say it na it's okay to be matigas ang ulo when you do it right. So what I mean is that okay lang na swayin ng parents mo if ginawa or tama yung gagawin mo. This thing came into my mind kasi because I was like being a rebellious child. Hindi mo siya masyadong super rebellious pero my parents always said to me na just stay at the house. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-rent. Hindi mo kailangan bumakod. My mommy always says it's mahal and may bahay naman. Why you not stay in there? And I was like, no, I want to stay on my own. And the for me kasi I was very yung very under sa parents. Yung I always follow them and sometimes I cannot make my own choice or freedom of decisioning na because we are as someone na palaging nasa parents is we always rely on our parents what to do. Ngayon ko lang ngayon ako na-realize how important decision making is as practicing decision making as individual when while I'm still this at this age because I'm already 19 now and gusto ng parents ko na I would stay with them. But I was rebellious because I think I would not grow if hindi ako lalabas ng bahay namin. They are super protective kasi. My father is protective. He said that you shouldn't stay with the family na lang para wala kang gastos or you didn't need to go to work. I realized it's not healthy for me just to do that. I meant to have more. So, what I did is hindi sila agree. Pero I did it anyway. And I learned na nandito na ako sa position is I learned a lot of things. How important it is to decision sa ano pa lang yung kakainin natin in a day. It was so hard at first. Talaga, until now, I'm still struggling. Sometimes nga, I'm a kind of person na once I'm in the house, I don't wanna go out anymore. So, every time na nagutom ako, I don't wanna go out now because I'm in the house already. Sometimes I would sleep na lang na walang kain because it's just that I don't wanna go out. So what I would do is stock a lot of food in the house. Ang ending is I would I have a lot of waste because hindi ko siya na-consume as much as early as I can because nasa trabaho kasi ako and hindi ko siya na-bring out of things happening. It's nag-root na yung mga pagkain sa ref. Sometimes I bring food pero hindi ko naman na naubos. I felt terrible because I am wasting a lot of food. But it's kinda amazing. Kasi it teaches me how to before we don't know the word sayang. When we are in our family's house or when we are still sa house ng parents natin, we don't know the word sayang. And actually, it's true. Our parents always say this, di kayo nasasayangan. Pero we think nasasayangan na tayo. But right now, I feel like so terrible na ako yung I am providing for myself now and ako yung naghahanap ng pera para may pangkain ako. So, I feel so terrible na nagwe-waste ako ng pagkain because pinaghirapan ko ang food na yun. You know what I mean? And then, back to the topic pala. And then, yung being rebellious if you are doing it right is good. Parang bad influence ako. If you have a good intention for yourself, then your parents are against it, reflect on it. Kasi sometimes our parents are not always right. Yes, hindi ako nakatipid sa rent because I have to pay rent and bills and utilities and hindi ako nakatipid honestly. Pero it is so satisfying na alam ko na ngayon kung paano mabuhay may isa. Alam ko na ngayon kung how does it feel na ako lang yung naglalaba, ako lang yung nagluluto, ako lang gumagawa ng lahat ng bagay na kailangan ko for me to survive. So kung hindi ako magluluto, wala akong kain. And if I won't not wake up early, malilate ako sa work. I can't do it on time. School is, I'm in university. So if I'm not going to manage my time properly, it's me who is going to be suffer. You know, ayang, it's, you know what I mean? Ako lang din yung magsasuffer if I'm not going to practice time management. Diba? You know what I mean? So, some of you, I would like to advise some of you. This is very bad, good influence or advice. Pero, if you do it right talaga, I think it's worth it. If you have good intention to be rebellious. Until now, pinapagalitan pa rin ako ng mami ko why I move out from the house. Pero it was so far so unsatisfying. So, walang magagawa si mami. And I think I would learn more. That's it for now. I see you when I see you. Again, it's me, Krish. Bye.